Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Milwaukee Oscillating Tool is probably one of the most versatile power tools you can find on the market, excelling in various applications from intricate woodworking to demanding automotive repairs. Its compact design and variable speed settings allow for precision control, making it suitable for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts tackling a wide array of projects. From delicate tasks requiring finesse to more robust jobs demanding power and endurance, this video will delve into a comprehensive review, exploring its capabilities, features, and overall value. Number 5. Milwaukee M18 Multi-Tool. This versatile tool tackles a wide range of tasks, from delicate work to heavy-duty applications. Its variable speed settings give you precise control for any project. It offers 12 speed settings, ranging from 11,000 to 18,000 OPM. This allows you to adjust the speed to match the material and application. Its all-metal gear case is built to withstand impacts, ensuring it lasts through tough jobs. This robust design means it's ready for anything you throw at it. The rubberized grip provides a secure hold, even in wet or slippery conditions. You'll maintain control and comfort throughout your work. The built-in LED light illuminates your work area, providing clear visibility in any situation. This ensures you can work accurately and efficiently. It features Red Link technology for enhanced safety and longevity. This smart technology protects it from overheating by regulating power from the battery. At just 11 to 7/8 inches long, it's compact enough for tight spaces, yet powerful enough to handle demanding tasks. It's the perfect combination of size and performance. What we like. It has 12 speed settings, allowing you to tackle various tasks with ease. Its durable design ensures it can withstand tough jobs. The rubberized grip provides excellent control, even in challenging conditions. If you need a versatile and reliable tool for various applications, this is the one for you. What people say. The battery life is pretty good and the power is substantial. The cutting blades for metal have been great for cutting off nails that were used in the existing flooring by the hundreds, and the wood blades are amazing for precision cuts when notching out trims, and making cuts in the new vinyl floor planks to wrap door frames and such. The scraper attachment worked amazing as well to bust off chunky bits of 120 years worth of bad paint jobs to smooth out surfaces for new paint. Number 4. Milwaukee M12 Multi-Tool. This versatile tool is a must-have for any DIY enthusiast or professional. It's powerful, efficient, and ready to tackle a variety of tasks. It features a universal adapter, so you can use accessories from other multi-tools. This expands its capabilities and saves you money. With 12 speed settings ranging from 5,000 to 20,000 orbits per minute, it's perfect for various applications. You can easily adjust the speed to match the task at hand. The included sanding head and pads let you sand and finish your projects. No need to buy a separate sander. Its multi-purpose head is ideal for getting into tight spaces to remove grout or trim. It's incredibly versatile. The onboard fuel gauge shows the remaining battery life in 25% increments. You'll always know how much time you have left. It cuts, grinds, sands, and scrapes. It's part of the M12 lithium-ion system with over 25 cordless tools for ultimate compatibility. It boasts an all-metal gear case for lasting durability and a variable speed dial for precise control. The red lithium battery provides extended run time. What we like. This model boasts a universal adapter, expanding its compatibility with various accessories. With a speed of up to 20,000 OPM, it's perfect for demanding tasks. Its versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of applications, from cutting to sanding. If you value compatibility and high power, this is your best bet. What people say. Makes stripping grout a breeze. Very lightweight and powerful. I used it yesterday to sand the inside cutout for all outlets on pegboard I put up in the garage. The triangle sanding attachment fit perfectly and did a great job. Had an old, single-gang metal electrical box in a maintenance closet nailed to a stud that I wanted to remove from the wall and replace it with a 2-gang box in order to add a light switch and additional outlet. First, I inserted a pry bar between the box and the stud and wiggled it gently to create a gap between the stud and the box so I could see the 2 nails that were holding the box to the wood stud. Once I had that gap, I inserted this tool with a metal cutting blade on it and zip, cut right through those two nails, freeing the old box. I changed blades on the tool and buzz, cut the drywall out needed to add the larger box. So quick and easy. Number 3. Milwaukee M18 Multi-Tool Kit. This is the Milwaukee M18 Multi-Tool Kit, your new go-to tool for versatility and precision. It's designed to tackle a wide range of tasks with ease and efficiency. It boasts an impressive 11,000 to 18,000 oscillations per minute, ensuring fast and consistent performance. Experience the power of constant power technology for any project. This tool is equipped with red lithium battery technology. It delivers superior performance, longer run time, and an extended lifespan compared to other batteries. Its all-metal gear case provides exceptional durability, ensuring it can withstand even the toughest job site conditions. It's built to last. Changing blades is quick and easy thanks to its tool-free design. No more fumbling with tools, just swap and go. A built-in LED light illuminates dark workspaces, providing optimal visibility for precision and safety. Work confidently in any lighting conditions. What we like. This kit offers the power of 18,000 OPM with the long-lasting performance of a red lithium battery. The all-metal gear case ensures durability for heavy use. It's a complete package, ideal for professionals who demand both power and longevity. If you need a powerful and long-lasting tool, this kit is a great choice. What people say. Works great like all of my other cordless Milwaukee tools. Does a nice job. Pretty smooth. It's good that I can use batteries from my drills too so I don't run out of power. Mi Lego to-do completo inclui una bateria de 2 amperes, un adaptador para ligar con sus ligas, una sierra para madera, un mailtin y un cargador para pilas de 12 y 18 volts funciona a la perfection. Number 2. Milwaukee M18 Fuel Oscillating Multi-Tool. This innovative tool offers superior control and performance. Its versatile design tackles a wide range of applications with ease. It features a variable speed dial, allowing you to precisely adjust the speed to match your needs. This ensures optimal performance for every task. The auto-load feature provides a smooth start for delicate cuts, automatically increasing speed under load for maximum productivity. Experience unmatched efficiency. Work confidently in any lighting conditions with its bright 180-degree LED light. It illuminates your work area for enhanced precision and safety. It boasts a 4.2-degree oscillation angle for the fastest cutting speed in its class. Get the job done quickly and efficiently. This tool is engineered with vibration dampening technology, minimizing vibrations for enhanced comfort and control during extended use. Experience less fatigue and greater precision. What we like. It features an auto-load function for precise cuts and unmatched productivity. The 180-degree LED light ensures optimal visibility. Its vibration dampening technology makes for comfortable extended use. If you prioritize precision, visibility, and comfort, this is the perfect option. What people say. So many odd uses for this that makes it so handy and hard to do jobs without it now. For nearly 2 decades in construction from residential to commercial, I've seen these things come and go in the field. From receptacle box attachments that I once laughed at to cutting door jambs out for flooring. It just seemed like a niche tool for odd jobs. Then I decided to build a deck where I needed a tool to cut some siding out in a tight spot where a sawzall wouldn't do the job. This tool exceeded my expectations for its usefulness. I used 5/4 deck boards and found myself using this to notch for every post. Trust me, I have plenty of professional tools that I could have used instead, but this was easy. I also added some 4/5 supports off my 6x6 post and used this to sort of notch out where it landed on a joist hanger. It did the job without hesitation. I am extremely pleased with the performance and low vibration of this tool. The auto speed control is a great feature. This tool has afforded me a greater deal of versatility when making both general and precision cuts. I keep a large variety of different blades for this tool to suit almost any application. I especially like not having to worry about a power cord when using it on a ladder. It cuts very well, is easy to control, and is no louder than any other tool in this category. Number 1. Milwaukee M12 Fuel Oscillating Multi-Tool. This is the Milwaukee M12 Fuel Oscillating Multi-Tool. It's designed for versatility and precision in various applications. It features a variable speed dial, allowing you to adjust the speed to match your specific task. This ensures optimal performance and control. Work confidently even in dimly lit areas thanks to its integrated LED light. It illuminates your work surface for greater accuracy. Experience less vibration with its advanced vibration dampening technology. This makes it more comfortable to use for extended periods. Changing accessories is quick and easy. Its tool-free blade change system allows for fast transitions between different applications. See how effortlessly it tackles various materials and projects. Its power and precision are truly remarkable. What we like. This tool features a tool-free blade change system for quick and easy accessory swaps. The low vibration design ensures comfortable operation, even during prolonged use. The integrated LED light enhances visibility in low-light conditions. If you need a convenient, comfortable, and well-lit tool, this is the one for you. What people say. The vibration is probably 70% less than the 24-26-20. It's amazingly powerful. Needed to sever about 50 extended screws. Whack them all with little effort on 8 power without stopping. Cuts through wood like butter. Great value, speed and size. This tool is every bit as powerful as the 18V tools I've used. It's very sturdy and the battery is very tight, no noticeable wobble. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.